guys, welcome to a brand new video from Technican. Today in this video I'm going to unbox a new product in front of you guys. This is Edict EW-E01 made by Boat and newly launched in Amazon. Initially it was listed in Amazon for $899, but now in a lightning deal I got it for $799, so I quickly ordered it and got it delivered yesterday. So I'm gonna unbox it in front of you guys. Let's check it out. So let's start unboxing this product. As you can see, the box looks quite impressive and attractive. The color combination, blue color with the green color branding and the tagline, "Get addicted." It's quite impressive. On the side of the box you can see there's the Edict branding. Back side there are few features and few manufacturer details are mentioned. On the other side also there is a Edict branding with the tagline. So let's open the box and see what is there in the box. So inside the box, as you can see, there is a plastic case. The plastic case is having all the stuff including the earphone. So we will remove the plastic case. First I'll remove the earphone. Let's keep the earphone aside. Here you can see the extra ear muffins, the small and the large side. The medium was already installed in the earphone. You can change it for your size. And here is the charging cable. You can see this is a micro USB cable. There is no adapter in the box, so you can connect to any 5V 2 amps adapter. And this is a manual. Usually no user uses this manual, so you can refer if you want. For now we can keep it aside. So let's check what else there in the box. I think yeah, there is a warranty card inside this box. So here is the warranty card. It says it gives 1 year manufacturer warranty on this product. On the front side it is mentioned, as you can see, 1 year manufacturer warranty. It's quite impressive that on this price range we are getting 1 year manufacturer warranty for this product. So let's check out the earphones. As you can see, the earphone is fully made up of plastic. It feels quite light on the hand. You can see there is a multifunctional power button on the device. The magnetic strength is quite good. The length of the wire is perfect. The material feels average, but for this price range it's quite good. It doesn't give a premium look, but this is fine. Here you can see the multifunctional button. On the both sides there is a volume rocker, and in between you can see the power button. And on the back side the Edict branding is there. On this side you can see they have placed a charging port. So it comes with a micro USB charging port. They have given the cable, but there is no adapter in the box, so you can connect to any 5V 2 ampere charging port. And you can see a QR code over here. It says you can scan the QR code and claim your warranty on the product. The earplugs and the ear hook design, especially the design for this device, is quite impressive. It doesn't look average. I can say the quality is pretty good. You can change the ear muffs as per your need. So this is an overview of what you get in the box. On the back side of the box you can see there are few features mentioned. It says up to 6 hours battery life, IPX5 water and sweat resistant, dual pairing, Bluetooth version 5.0. There is a 10mm driver and integrated controls over here. So as it says, it is IPX5 water and sweat resistant, so you can use it for workout and day-to-day basis. While opening the box, it was having 40% charge, so we charged the device around 30 to 40 minutes and it charged up to 90%. It doesn't say it's fast charging, but it is mentioned that 1.5 hours it takes to charge fully. So let's connect the device to the smartphone and see. While switching on the device, you can see there is a red and blue color LED blinking on it. So it says you have to pair it to the device, to your smartphone or any laptop or something. It comes with a dual pairing, so you can simultaneously connect two devices and use it simultaneously. So you can see on the Bluetooth device it says EW-E01. That is the manufacturer product name. So it connects very fast because it is having the Bluetooth version 5.0. And we have done the audio quality test also on this device. It is having 10mm integrated drivers. It gives a pretty good audio quality. On this price range we can say it's quite impressive, and it is going to be very competitive in this market. So this was the unboxing and the brief review about this product from our end. So if you have any queries about this product, you can always comment down below. If you want to buy this product, I'll give you the link in the description below. You can directly redirect to the Amazon website and you can order it from there. If you want such videos from our channel, you can comment down below. We will try our best to make such videos. Please like the video, share and subscribe. If you haven't watched our previous videos, please go and watch those videos and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching this video.